Welcome back, gamers. Today, we're diving into some powerful tips on how to optimize your Windows PC for maximum FPS. Whether you are into competitive games or just want a smoother experience, these tweaks can make a huge difference. So let's get started. First up, let's adjust some Windows settings. Right click on the Windows icon and select Settings, and navigate to Gaming and then select Game Mode. Here, make sure to turn on Game Mode, which optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. Next, you need to make sure your graphics card are up to date, which can significantly improve performance. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Device Manager. Here, expand the display adapter and you should see either NVIDIA or AMD graphic card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, and then select Search automatically for drivers. Also, consider using a tool like GeForce Experience for NVIDIA users, which can help manage and optimize your drivers easily. Now, let's clean up your startup programs. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then let's go to the Startup tab. And here, disable any programs that you don't need to launch at the startup. This will free up resources and improve boot times. Adjusting your power plan can also help. From the search bar, let's type power.cfg.cpl and hit enter. In the power options window, make sure to select high performance. These settings prevent your PC from throttling down when it's not plugged in, ensuring your CPU and GPU are always delivering peak performance. Next, let's do some housekeeping. Use the disk cleanup tool to remove unnecessary files. Just type disk cleanup in the search bar, select your drive, and clean temporary files and system cache. This can free up valuable space and improve your load times. Another useful tweak is to disable unnecessary visual effects. In the Windows search bar, let's type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens the System Property window. Click on the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Change the options from Let Windows choose what's best for my computer to adjust for best performance. But select Animate Control an element inside Windows, Show thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth Edge off-screen fonts. Then click Apply and then OK. This will disable many visual effects that can drain your resources. Now, if you're using a traditional hard drive disk, defragmenting it can help improve access times. Search for defragment and optimize drives. Select your HDD and click on Optimize. Now, you may want to consider using game optimization software like Razer Cortex or MSI Afterburner. These tools help manage resources and can provide additional performance boost by shutting down unnecessary processes while you game. And there you have it. These tips can help you optimize Windows for better FPS and smoother gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.